In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Notion's duplicate function not working. We all love Notion for its versatility and ease of use, but sometimes we run into snags, like the duplication feature being unresponsive. Don't worry though, by the end of this guide, you'll be duplicating your pages smoothly once again. First and foremost, it's important to remember that the simplest solutions can sometimes be the most effective. So, to begin with, try refreshing the page on your browser. A quick refresh can clear up minor glitches and reset the system, which could solve the duplication problem. If you're using the desktop app, restarting the application can also help to refresh its functionalities and clear any temporary bugs that might be interfering with the duplication feature. Next, ensure you are accessing your Notion page via the correct link. Notably, the duplicate button only appears on the public version of a page on Notion's domain. Make sure you're viewing this public Notion site version, as it might be essential for the duplicate button to function properly. If you're dealing with a shared template and having difficulty duplicating it, there could be permission issues at play. Templates shared without the necessary permissions set properly might not duplicate correctly. Make sure every page and database within the template date has the appropriate sharing permissions enabled. You should also verify that the Allow Duplicate as Template option is indeed turned on. This setting is crucial for enabling others to duplicate your template correctly. Sometimes, being logged in on multiple devices can create a rare issue where duplication doesn't work effectively. The way around this is to log out of one of your sessions, like your browser, and then try duplicating the template using another device, such as the desktop application. This simple step ensures that there's no session overlap causing the duplication issue. Finally, if you have followed all these steps and you're still facing issues with Notion's duplication feature, it might be time to reach out to Notion's support team. It's possible that the issue might be a bug on Notion's end. Be sure to provide them with detailed information about the template size and content, and describe the specific problems you are encountering. This information will help them diagnose the issue promptly and offer you a solution. There you have it, a straightforward guide to troubleshooting and fixing Notion's duplicate function when it's not working as it should. With these tips, you should be back to managing your Notion workspace efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!